All right, so it seems that this live TV, they updated the server. So some of the channels, well, most of the American channels are actually freezing, and you have once they freeze, all you have is video or is audio. So I'm gonna show you the fix for it real quick. So like right here, like we'll go Food Network. So you'll see it'll freeze up here. See, so now it's frozen. And then when you go out, it's gonna kick you all the way out. Okay, we're gonna show you how to fix that right now. Real simple. This is new, so I mean they just barely updated the server. They changed the coding on it, so it's kind of messing everything up. They're supposed to change it back, but until then, this is the way to fix it. Okay, so you're gonna go to System, then you're gonna go right here to Video. Okay, you're gonna go to Acceleration, and you're gonna go Allow Hardware Acceleration, Libus, whatever that is. I can't even see, there's a glare. And then Allow Hardware Media Codec and the Lib Stage Fright. You're gonna uncheck those so they're both unchecked. Back out, and then we'll go back over here to where your live TV is. And then we'll show you that it, oops, wrong one. And then we'll show you that it doesn't freeze no more. Where are we on? Food Network. So I want to do the same channel, that way you can see that it doesn't freeze anymore. Alright, see that? And it's perfect. Now it's working. Alright, that's how you fix it. You got any questions? Shoot me a message. Thanks.